Good morning, everyone, and good morning, all traders around the world in the U.S. So, February 17, 2022, we do the stock overview from Omaha, Nebraska. U.S. dollars up, and energy is down at $76 for 1 peso right now. So, financial down like 18 ticks. So, indicate is 108 ticks lower. So, the goal is going down. So anyway, everything is going down today, but it's going to be the stock on general is going to be getting higher because this morning it's like 200 points. It's negative on Dow Jones. It's minus 200 points, and right now still lie around 100, 120. It's running around. So we can see this morning that's the first map look like. You can see all red, and right now it's turning slowly green again. And that's what happened right now for like 120, 127 points lost on Dow Jones. So Nasdaq as it's over 200 points lost this morning, which right now is like 86, and SP 500 is going to be 30 point, and it was 30 point, but right now it's lost like 20, 22. Why do I have to say those information? Because those is the evidence, the detail to direct the markets where they go. Like sometimes if you don't watch them out that well, and you think what you think is right, but sometimes like the number tell you the truth, but it's not the new out there. Sometimes you can see, bad news this, bad news that, and especially bad news for the stock future slump, for the Hackett federal rate. Yes, this is going to be a little struggle for those, but it's take a little time to recover. So the free market gain this morning, we can see like 26% for APGN, and the most loss for 16% for VNRX. So anyway, its top trending still belong to Tesla and LUNR and Apple and Mulan. Tesla, Mulan, and Apple is still stay on the top of trending, which Apple is, like that's $1 trillion company, and Tesla is same. Like all of them kind of the same, just Mulan and another one is not. So recent corporate action. So we can see 16, they slip from 1 to 10. And this is slip, stock slip, but the action is reverse stock slip. So 1 to 10. Yep. So on the 15, you can see this list. That means not there anymore. So the symbol change from PTNR to PTNRY. Yep, with the Y. So before that is this list. So, but after that, because they have to just list like at least like 1 or 2 days, and after that they want to be changing. That's kind of like the concept. So we can see on here, they just lost like 1%, a little bit for this morning. A lot of them like almost or more than 1%. So the first stock is LUNR, like 251% is change. So 70% for TA, 53% for AMAM, and 52% for CYH. So 30% for CERA. Those. That's a lot. It's a big change. But especially when you make a change and you need to follow the direction where they go. So if they're going up right now, just better pop in and pop out right away. You know, like when you got profit, better run, run, and run. And buy slowly with the small share because, like, you know, the market's going down and you just buy one and they won't, it's not good for you. Like, it's pretty hard to sell. So stock look like any this week's back after recent backlash running economy blah blah. So anyway, this one you can read by yourself and and by the time right now I'm going to reach more for like a data number on the sector. And right now is Dow Jones getting up a little bit. It's like it's negative 35. It's more negative. Like keep losing more, but till the market is open, I think it's going to be powered back. But what's going on right now is it's two problem, like two situation is going to be happen because the federal rate is going to be higher, but the economy data number is a little bit higher too. That means they try to pull the economy down because they rate the federal height, federal interest, federal rate, whatever you want to call it, but you understand exactly what's going on. So with the federal rate, it's going to be much higher. The inflation is much higher, but the economy is trying to recover, and it's going up and start to going up. But they kind of destroy the country. They kind of destroy the economy, destroy everyone. So the donkey team is they know how to do the economy, you know. So SPY and QQQ, like SPY is for lost $5, stuff like that. SPY going, if like a market's going down today, it's going to be go under 400 and at least like 395. 390 is a good price to buy. And with the QQQ, you draw $5 down, and with the option for today, we're going to do a lot for the put because the put going to make pretty direct money, and do the call is going to be much cheaper. And ET is electric transfer, and you know, like Mark is still not that good. So I would like to have like around May or June, this be the best. So TSLA for the push Tesla 15 with the March 31st for 195. It's a little risky. So if I'm going to do the March, if I'm going to do like Tesla, I'm going to get like around May or June at least. You know, it's pretty decent and keep our safe and stable. You know, too close is pretty risky. It's pretty hard to control, and you know, those stuff like that. So with the rank, when we want to buy, ASC is going to be the best on the top because it's ranked number 1, and TRMD is ranked number 2. Though those not is like it's not cheap, you know, though, because the rank, let's go with the quality, and you rather buy the quality or you want to buy a cheap one, you know, depend. Like all of them, it still make pretty good money. You know, like buying a stock, it's pretty hard, and it's not easy. And invest a stock is easy, but to invest is right, and you know, bring you back with a profit is not that much like easy like a lot of people think. And especially gain, you know, like when the stock gain more, that's mean even the profits more, and even though they risk more. If you don't sell them right, if you don't have $25,000, you know, in your account, you need to move slow, and you make sure you use a ticket variable. you know, like three ticket a week. I think one ticket you can make like $200 or $500, and it can bring you income like $1,000 or $3,000. You know, it's pretty far, like pretty hard to say. Depend. It's by yours, how you use it and how fast you are. So thank you very much. We don't have a video on Monday.